You're probably wondering where I am with all these exercycles. Well, this is where all the players warm up. This is also where they wind down and, you know, just get ready for the game. Not everyone has access to this place. Hey, yeah, good thanks. Only very important people like myself. So, you know, that's what's awesome about the Wellington Sevens. Fresh. Yep. Hey people, my name is Tofiga Fepuleai, and some of you may know me as one half of the Laughing Samoans. Others may have seen me on a billboard posing for Calvin Klein. Or you may have seen a movie where I was a stunt double for Dwayne Johnson, The Rock. But anyway, I'm going to tell you the story about me. Born and raised in the capital city of New Zealand, this is my story. This is my world. Now, one of the most important parts of my life is my church family and my faith. And right here, we're at the church that I attend. I've been here most of my life. And it's awesome because not only do I have my immediate family, but I also got my church family, and they keep a good eye out on me, especially when I was a young kid. And just to talk about, you know, the whole entertainment buzz and how I got up on stage, and I didn't attend any drama school or anything like that. This was my drama school, and I started learning how to act at a very early age at White Sunday. And there's no stage fright, no such thing as stage fright in our Samoan churches, because you have that telepathic sort of thing with your mums. You know, they give you that look. My mum's funny. I think I get my humour off my mum. My mum's, she's a very physical type comedy type stuff. You know, she can dance, she can sing, and she's got very good timing and a very funny lady. But the fast twitch fibers I get off my dad, that's why I can run real fast, about 11.2 seconds over 5 meters. I went to classical lessons for about couple of months, and I really didn't like it. So once I learned the basics, you know, just all the white keys, what they were, I just went home and started teaching myself, and then just started, you know, listening to stuff and just copying that, and so it was pretty much more self-taught than going to a school and stuff. I'm an only child, but I was raised with my 3 first cousins, who are my mum's brother's sons. And I've always called them my brothers, and they've always been like brothers to me. So people don't actually, a lot of people that know us don't realize that until later that we're actually first cousins, because we're really close. I love my family and I love my brothers, and you get to see how our family has expanded from my brothers. Now they got wives, we all got wives, and we all got children. But we still enjoy coming together, and the one thing we really love is singing together as a family. So, yeah, it's awesome. Yesu ise ainga tas sau. Yesu ise ainga o se ainga. Ainga fifia. Yesu ise ainga o se ainga. Ainga fia. When Jesus in the family, happy, happy home. Happy, happy home. Happy, happy home. When Jesus in the family, happy, happy home. Happy, happy home. Okay, we're standing outside one of the most memorable moments of my life, and that's here at my old college, Rongotai Boys College, which is in Wellington, the eastern suburbs, and the school motto is Lumen Agape et Imperate, which is Latin for receive the light and pass it on. But when I came to the school, was receive the lunch and pass it on. I was hard out breakdancing. A lot of people try to copy it, but I was from the streets. I used to battle a lot of groups that used to come into Newtown, Lau Bay, Kilburnie. They used to want to battle me, so there'd be about 4 of them in their crew, and it'd be just me. I'll take them out. I was too good. I first started with my footwork, you know, then go to the ground on my knees, you know. Just to utilize the fast twitch fibers. And then I'll come back up, you know, start, you know, popping, locking, you know, things like that, you know. You know, that was a snake, that was cobra. That means that, you know, I got you, psh. And then when I got you, psh, that's it, you're gone. Full stop. Yeah, oh, that was amazing. Nowadays, I need an inhaler or need to break dance near the hospital, just in case something happens. But I still got fast twitch fibers. You reckon? Woo! Now I do double cobra. Because just in case there's more of them. Well, people, that was just a snippet of my life.